huwag kakalimutang i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat!
Hello Frenny, nandito tayo ngayon sa Palacio de Manila kung saan merong vaccine sa City of Manila and magpapavaccine tayo ngayon. Kailangan nila na registered ka dun sa may link and of course yung QR code mo. So pupunta na tayo doon para gawin na natin yung mga process. Okay? So let's go! Hello Frenny, nandito nga tayo. Nag-fill in na tayo ng information and then kailangan nga ng QR code. And ayun, kung makikita ninyo, ganito yung setup dito. Kinakabahan ako sa totoo lang, pero okay lang. Gusto ko din naman dito talagang magpa-vaccine. Para syempre sa safety and willing naman din talaga, kaya go lang, okay lang. So mamaya share ko sa inyo yung magiging experience ko once tapos na akong mag-vaccine. Okay? And hello Frennies, doon sa may first table na pinuntahan natin, kinuha tayo ng temperature, and then a short interview, at saka yung blood pressure. And then after noon, papapuntahin tayo dito sa next, screening daw, ito siguro may short orientation. Okay? So mamaya, share ko din sa inyo yung mga mangyayari. Bye! Yun na, malapit na tayo. Medyo kinakabahan tayo, pero okay lang. Pero excited na kinakabahan.
Hello Frennies! Ngayon naman, magkaroon tayo ng short details or information to Sinovac o Coronavac or Corona vaccine. So itong mga gathered information natin or gathered data coming from different online sites. Okay po? So kapag may mga gusto pa tayong basahin or alamin patungkol nga dito, pwede nating i-browse doon. Okay po? Gaya nga ng sabi ko, galing to sa iba't ibang mga sites. Hindi lang ako nagdepende sa isang sites. At kumuha lang naman ako ng mga brief data or information. So kapag gusto nyo pong mas malaman pa, you can piece it on your own. Okay, let's start. The coronavirus that causes the COVID-19 disease was first detected in humans in the Chinese city of Wuhan in late 2019. According to the Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center, more than 123.2 million people worldwide currently have been sickened and more than 2.7 million people have died. So according sa first article natin, the New York Times, how the Sinovac vaccine works. The private Chinese company Sinovac developed a coronavirus vaccine called Coronavac. The vaccine is approved for use in China and authorized for emergency use in more than a dozen other countries. Researchers in Turkey and Brazil found the vaccine has an efficacy of 83.5% against COVID-19 infections with one or more symptoms, or just over 50% against infections with or without symptoms. A vaccine made from coronaviruses. Coronavac or Corona vaccine works by teaching the immune system to make antibodies against the SARS-CoV-2 or coronavirus. The antibodies attach to viral proteins such as so-called spike proteins that stud its surface. Ito naman sa second online site natin, BBC News. COVID, what do we know about China's coronavirus vaccines? The Beijing-based biopharmaceutical company Sinovac is behind the Coronavac, an inactivated vaccine. It works by using killed viral particles to expose the body's immune system to the virus without risking a serious disease response. Coronavac is a more traditional method of vaccine that is successfully used in many well-known vaccines like rabies. By comparison, the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines being developed in the West are mRNA vaccines. This means part of the coronavirus genetic code is injected into the body, triggering the body to begin making viral proteins, but not the whole virus, which is enough to train the immune system to attack. mRNA vaccines are a new type of vaccine and there is no successful example being used in the population, according to the professor. And for our third site, China approved Sinovac Biotech COVID-19 vaccine for general public use. Indonesia, Turkey, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Uruguay, and Laos have granted emergency authorization for the Coronavac vaccine developed by Sinovac Life Science. Sinovac said a news release. Okay, the vaccine was found 50.65% effective against COVID-19 disease in the Brazil trial, which had recruited 12,396 medical workers older than 18 as of December 16 and recorded 253 cases. Sinovac said in a statement on Friday, and the success rate from the Turkey trial was 91.25%. Local researchers said, based on a preliminary analysis of 29 cases. There was a 65.3% efficacy rate in the Indonesia trial. The Brazil trial also found the vaccine was 83.7% effective against the disease that requires medical treatment and 100% effective against hospitalization, severe cases, and death in the same trial. The protection rate was nearly 70% based on observation of a smaller subgroup in the Brazil trial, in which participants received the 2 doses at a 3-week interval rather than 2 weeks apart for most participants. So gaya nga ng sabi ko, ito ay ngalap nga lang natin sa iba't ibang mga online sites. So kung gusto nyo pang mag-search or alamin yung iba't iba pang mga information regarding sa Sinovac or Corona vaccine, you can browse and search. Okay po? Thank you!
Ang dali lang po.
Sinovac ang vaccine natin, ha? Second dose, Sinovac hanggang may level 2 yung second dose.
Tumal na tayo. Pinagpulisin ako. Yung sabi.
One, two, three. Inhale, exhale. Ayan, ha?
Frenny, hello. Tapos na tayo sa ating first dose ng vaccine. Ayan, Sinovac. So, okay po. And sabi nung doctor na babalik daw sa May 11 para sa second dose. Okay, so this is our first dose. Sinovac. Okay, so ngayon walang mabigat, walang ganong feeling. And kanina lang kinakabahan ako kasi honestly speaking, takot po ako sa injection. Totoo po, takot po talaga ako sa injection. Kahit pag nagpapabunot po ako ng ngipin, talagang sinasabi ko po sa doktor na mag-count ng 3 kapag i-inject na kasi talagang takot po ako sa injection. Pero kanina, buti naman din, mabait din yung doktor and jolly siya kaya hindi din ako ganun kinabahan. Tapos nung in-inject, mabilis lang naman. Okay po, so ngayon, so far, wala namang kung anong nararamdaman, okay naman tayo. Okay? So nandito kami sa holding area, may briefing ata or may sasabihin lang yung doktor para siguro sa mga iba pang kailangan gawin at saka sa mga announcements. Okay, so sige, update ko kayo ulit. Hello, Frennies! Kakatapos lang natin or kakalabas lang natin dun sa may area mismo kung saan nagva-vaccine. So share ko lang kung muna tayo dito. Nandito pala tayo sa Palacio de Manila, dito sa Ross Boulevard, sa Malate, Manila. Tapat niya lang mismo yung Manila Bay. Ayun, oh. Ayun, yung Manila Bay. So, yun nga, pagpasok, hinanapan tayo ng ID and then yung mga forms, QR code, and then after nun, may fill in na data or form, tapos nun, temperature, blood pressure, and then kinausap pa ng doktor, screening, and then short briefing, and then after nun, yun na, in-injection na tayo dito. Ay, natakpan na. Pero, ayan. Ay. Yun. Okay. Good thing, wala naman akong akong nararamdaman na kung ano, okay naman ako. And excited talaga ako kanina bago ako magpa-vaccine. Okay? So after natin vaccinate, pinastay muna tayo doon sa area ng 15 to 20 minutes para daw mag-subside syempre yung sarili, and then rest ka muna doon. Then after noon, pinayagan na tayo na lumabas and then umuwi na. So yun, overall, so far wala naman akong kung anong nararamdaman. Okay naman ako. And then sinabihan nga kami ng doktor na sa May 11 yung second dose. Okay po. And then that's it. Yun. So, I hope kayo din, in case available na yung mga vaccines natin sa mga LGU natin, magpa-vaccine na din tayo. Okay po? Okay, thank you very much!